Hello guys! Welcome to my channel, Bordzwa Family Vlog guys. Ang vlog for today is mag-unboxing tayo ng binili namin sa Amazon. Okay. See you!
Okay, see you!
See you! So ito siya guys. Kung anong laman. It's a surprise. Oh! Pag summer na kasi guys, bumili kami ng pang barbecue ba. So it's a plastic plate. Karton. Hindi pala siya plastic, it's a carton. And spoon para sa pang barbecue. And another one. And another one. So, ipit. We're smart. So, ito na siya guys. Bumili kami ng pang barbecue. Ale, doon eh. Ale. The big one. Ta-da! What is this? What's the big one? So, ito siya guys. Hindi pa dumating yung yung tipal na pang barbecue. So, yung dumating lang is yung I think this one is a Tupperware. Babasagin. Oh, lala, tadaan! Yeah, I'm right. It's Tupperware. So, babasagin siya, guys. So, medium size. And, natin siya? It's gonna be damaged!
No!
If you drop that one, ha? So, meron siyang small sa loob. So, it's good siya. Mas gusto ko na kasi yung glass. Kasi pag plastic kasi, di ba, pag nilalagyan natin ng mga kahit hinugasan na, kahit minsan nangamoy pa din siya. So, di pa dumating yung aming guys, yung aming in-order na tipal na electric bar pang barbecue. Kasi magsa-summer na. So, ayan lang guys. Bye-bye.